Welcome to Diskitari, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Nami ngivuke ebuthongweni. As soon as I saw this news, I thought I should share them with you. Yeah, very exciting news involving Langelihle Phili. I have news involving Langelihle Phili. The latest updates regarding Langelihle Phili. You know, I made a video about 5 days ago that Kaizer Chiefs were close to signing Langelihle Phili. However, Nesimba came in later trying to hijack that move. So guys, please don't go anywhere. I will be giving you an update on the latest regarding Langelihle Phili. However, Bafethu, first of all, I would like us to discuss a very specific player as per reported by Far Post that Zimbabwean international Jonah Fabish. He is an attacking midfielder uyakwazi ukudlala laphayana kulama space wabo Sereno, that Sereno type of player. Yeah, you know that Kaizer Chiefs they've released Sereno, and yeah, they've released a couple of midfielders and they are yet to replace them. We saw Chiefs sign Adolf Hitler, but he's the General Adolf Hitler, Tanzanian international, snapping him up. That is the latest signing ahead of the Toyota Cup. So yeah, the buzz. It's exciting times for Kaizer Chiefs fans ahead of the Toyota Cup. The speculation is ripe, and yeah, the facts the announcements are happening. So yeah, I told you guys after the Spanish tour, Kaizer Chiefs were going to make announcements, and I'm not. Kaizer Chiefs are proving me to be right. Nyo shuguti ngasho ukuthi this is going to happen, but however, there's no substance to suggest ukuthi Zimbabwean international Jonah Fabish is, as a matter of fact, he is going to sign for Chiefs. No, there is no substance to that. It's just pure speculation that Far Post reports that he is coming to sign for a PSL team. It's not per se saying that he is coming to sign for Kaizer Chiefs. However, you can see on the screen, the picture on the screen that I have for you guys. Speculation is rife already. You go to Uza Bukosi. Yeah, I think maybe Kaizer Chiefs fans, based on Uguti Kaizer Chiefs are playing against Scotland, the Zimbabwean champions, the Scotland FC. Is it a coincidence that a Zimbabwean international is arriving ahead of that match with Scotland FC? Scotland, team yaga Kama Piliat no Knowledge Musona coming to play against their former team, Kaizer Chiefs. Both were stars at Kaizer Chiefs, especially Knowledge Musona, and Kama Piliat was more of a star Lapayanogu, Ajax, and Mamelodi Sundowns. And yeah, I think his career, he was unfortunate with injuries at Kaizer Chiefs, but yeah, he is coming to play Kaizer Chiefs. Ngiyazwa bathi utshela teammates wakhe, he's giving his teammates inside information about how to beat Kaizer Chiefs. Scotland FC, guys, these guys, there are no pushovers, as I've said in the other video I've made regarding Toyota Cup. So I'm not going to go deep into Toyota Cup, but I just want to tell you guys it's not a coincidence ukuthi Jonah Fabish, Zimbabwean international, coming to join a certain PSL club. We can't say for sure ukuthi Chiefs, but yeah, it's happening ahead of the Toyota Cup, where Zimbabwean club Zimbabwean champions coming to play Kaizer Chiefs go Toyota Cup. So yeah, we are just speculating. It's just pure speculation, no facts, no substance which is coming to Kaizer Chiefs. We just have to be patient. Toyota Cup is only just a few days away. So yeah, guys, let's just be patient regarding that. Big news, guys, is that Langelihle Phili has stopped training with Stellenbosch. Langelihle Phili has stopped training with Stelis. So why has he stopped training with Stelis? As I've told you guys during the last update, which is Simba, which is coached now by Umangoba Mngeti, they were attempting to sign uLangelihle Phili as per coach's recommendation, which is Mngqithi. Yeah, trying to hijack that move for Kaizer Chiefs. Stellenbosch, remember, Phili une 16 million release clause on his deal under 23 international uLangelihle Phili, teammate yaga Obrigado Vilakazi laphayana kuma under 23. So yeah, if he joins officially, he will be joining his under 23 international uLangelihle Phili, which is Mfundo Vilakazi. So yeah, Bafethu, that is the latest. uLangelihle Phili has stopped training with East Stellenbosch. And yeah, speculation is rife. You know, guys, you saw Uti, who Ashley Dupree did not travel with Kaizer Chiefs to the Spain tour. They were using Lokuzana Dupree as bait to catch uLangelihle Phili on a swap deal. Yanqaba Stellenbosch. Kaizer Chiefs came back with a second offer with Lokuzana, with Dupree, and they came with a cash. I think it was 10 million. And yeah, Stellenbosch, Sanqaba, and Kaizer Chiefs have now met the release clause, 16 million. And yeah, we will see. I can't say for sure. Uguti he is coming to Naturena, but guys, inside information. What I think, this is just my opinion. What I'm thinking, I think that Kaizer Chiefs are going to unveil him at the Toyota Cup. Remember, Lebohang Maboe, Nolokusanova Lebai, Luke Bartman. Remember, they were unveiled at FNB Stadium, and it was very, very exciting unveiling. I have it on the screen for you guys. You still remember what happened here. I think the very same thing is going to happen at the Royal Bafokeng Sports Palace in Rustenburg, where Kaizer Chiefs are going to play Scotland FC. Kaizer Chiefs fans, brace yourself for the big move. It's blockbuster move. It's happening. Naturena is a buzz, Bafethu. Yeah, let's see. Let's wait and see. Sunday, 3 o'clock. Make sure you watch Kaizer Chiefs. Stellenbosch. Before that game, if you watch it early, I don't know whether they're going to broadcast this game. Yama Legends, Kaizer Chiefs Legends versus Joburg Masters. Yeah, which is a all-star team, Piki team Piki, comprised of former Orlando Pirates players, great Marana Naboli, Lifa Tutulupa, and all those other players. Baba Mixile, they'll be playing against Kaizer Chiefs Legends before the main game, which is happening, which is between Kaizer Chiefs and Scotland. Yeah, guys, that is all I wanted to say to break those news. Let's talk about it on comments. Why do you think? Do you agree with me that Phili is going to be unveiled like Mabowe? Guys, he has stopped training with Stellenbosch. That is what I want. Yeah, Bafethu, yeah, that is the latest regarding Phili and also Jonah Fabish. Jonah Fabish, just to give you a little bit of a background, he's got his mother, he's from Zimbabwe, and his father, Umlungu, you can see his complexion, Mapusmane Lona is mixed. His father is a German, and yeah, his father is also, I believe, he used to coach the Zimbabwe national team. So he's got soccer roots. And yeah, probably that's how his parents met, and he chose to represent Zimbabwe. That is the player that, but he has landed the OR Tambo ahead of that game between Kaizer Chiefs and Scotland FC. Not assuming, it's an assumption at this stage that the player is coming to join Kaizer Chiefs. The assumption is baseless, because siyazibonile Kaizer Chiefs bahambile aboSirinho abakasign ama replacement. They've signed a defensive midfielder from Tanzania. So yeah, Kaizer Chiefs probably let's hope that they are going to announce this player with Phili, as they did announce Abo Mabo and Abo Valibai Lapayana FNP. Let's hope that these two are going to be unveiled at the Toyota Cup Lapayana Royal Bafokeng Sports Palace. So yeah, guys, that is all I have for today. Hey, just to share this news with you so that I can release this video in the morning for you guys to watch. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to give it a like. Remember to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye-bye.